Hey, welcome back. And today we are going to do a revamp of your TWA wash and go on day 5. So, after you take your headscarf off, run your hand through your head a few times. You're going to simply start off with a little water and oil mix. So again, my oil is extra virgin olive oil and coconut oil with some warm water. Be sure to saturate your entire head. I'm still new to this, so I'm forgetting sections, but this time I did get the entire head. Then you're going to go in with your Eco Styler gel and just give yourself a large amount on your hands, a generous amount, as they would say, of it in the palm of your hands and go in a back and forth motion across your head. From there, you are simply just going to go in and define any sections that look a little rough, like where my part used to be. I was brushing it and combing that section, so I went back in with a little bit of extra gel and just rubbed it in on the strands to give it some curl. And you're just going to do this the entire time. Now please take note towards the back of my head. It does look a little crazy, but I do catch that part and I try and go back in with some Eco Styler gel and define that as well. Keep in mind that this is day 5 and this is a TWA, so yeah. And of course you take that same Eco gel and do your edges as you see so fit. As you can see, I don't know what the hell I'm doing because I don't know how to do this shit, but it's worth a try. Everybody had to start somewhere, right? Alright, and that's pretty much it. Don't forget the back of your head because it can look a little rough back there and everyone's gonna see it. And so the curls are almost dry here, and as you can see they are really coming back to life and everything's good, right? Everything is good. Alright, so that's day 5, guys, and thanks again for watching. And don't forget to subscribe on all of my platforms, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, blah 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 blah. Thanks.